born, brought up, everything in Hyderabad. I'm a 100% Pakka Hyderabadi. I can speak good Hindi, I can speak good Urdu, English and Telugu are my languages. I generally teach, my class will be in MS में English and Hindi.
How many colleges do you teach, sir?
Outside it will be English. Outside it will be English, Hindi and Telugu. I teach in all three. Now look here. Pay attention. What I'm trying to tell you, what I'm trying to educate you here is, not tell you, educate you here is, I keep telling this your seniors also. Number of students who are studying seriously now are very less. If you can put good effort now, you can definitely overtake many others. How to prepare? 1.5 hours, my class time. 4 hours per day. So how many hours left over, man? 2.5 hours. If you are not given any material, they are telling that. So how many received material?
No, sir.
No one.
No one, sir.
No one, sir.
No one.
Then do one thing. There's a book called Cengage.
Download it from Google.
Shall I?
Download it, sir.
You downloaded the book.
Yes, sir.
Cengage. Cengage book, is it available free or online, or you should buy it?
Free, sir. PDF.
Free. PDF is free.
Download.
If that's the case, what I generally do for seniors is, I keep sending those exercises for them from Cengage. From Cengage, I send the whole theory and exercises to seniors every week. What all I am doing. Shall I do the same for you, or?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But the problem is, I don't have the latest edition one on trigonometry. I have an old edition. Trigonometry.
Not an issue.
No problem, sir.
So that's not an issue, you send, sir.
Trigonometry latest edition of Cengage is with a blue cover, if I remember. This blue cover book is good.
Cost.
Cost, I think it's around 250 rupees.
Sir, the whole set, all 5.
Oh, it is worth buying. You, all your seniors, super seniors, everybody from MS Junior College. What I suggest them for maths is buy Cengage books. Cengage books, what he does is, he explains a concept and he gives an exercise 2.1 concept, exercise 2.2 concept, exercise 2.3 concept, I think concept, exercise 2.4. Finally, he gives subjective problems, then objectives, then more than one answer correct, then matrix matching, passages, integer type. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
a student
सर
इतना पूरा करने को स्टूडेंट को टाइम नहीं मिलता. You know what a student should do, what my advice is? First year में, when you are doing a topic for the first time, for the first few months, 1, 2, 3, 4, enough. 2 months. जुलाई छोड़ दो. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे अपन?
August.
अगस्त से. August and September, because trigonometry, I'm telling you, you need
Last
not learn.
chapter.
You need not learn trigonometry in detail, all problems, and try to master trigonometry. There is no need. There is no need for you to
Video got
master
stuck.
trigonometry. Trigonometry basic formulas you should know enough. That application you will get in all the chapters. That is what importance of trigonometry in maths is. Therefore, you need not remember all the form. You need not know extensively or exhaustively trigonometry. Basics are enough.
Sir,
Yes.
the assignments you gave recently, sir,
They're
they
all
were
from Narayana material.
mind-blowingly time
Tough.
consuming.
They're all Narayana material. You know how Narayana prepares its material?
No, sir.
Look here. Fiji, resonance, Bansal, Akash, Cengage,
Atomic structure.
Arihant. They pick up all these materials, put them in a grinder, grind them properly, prepare a juice, and then they prepare blocks. What is that blocks? What are those blocks called? Narayana material.
So basically, they copy.
Yes. That's what everybody does. You meant to say that Fiji and Cengage are all purify and they have created problems?
No,
So if they all
no.
copy from
No,
each
sir.
other, where do problems come from?
Nobody will sit on Himalaya mountains and think problems when
Correct, sir.
you don't go to
Nice.
Kulu Manali and Leh Ladakh, do meditation and construct problems. Everybody copies
Yes, sir.
and everybody copy mutually. So mutual understanding.
Then
Therefore,
who creates new problems?
two problems so kabhi very rarely you will get.
Combination of two old problems.
But then, sir, in JEE till now, even one problem wasn't repeated, though. So from where are so many problems coming?
They are professors, they know problems.
No, it is not that they are professors. You know how much time they take to prepare one question paper?
No, sir.
No, sir.
9 months. 9 months. How many problems they make? Paper 1, 18 problems. Paper 2, 18 problems. 18 plus 18, how many months? 36 months or 36 problems, 9 months, 180 days, 36 problems.
One
Easier,
problem,
simple?
4 days.
कुछ तो एक
Therefore, those problems are new.
Sir,
Yes. I'm
what
listening.
about our state book, sir? I'm having one math